In today's fast-paced world, maintaining an organized and clutter-free home is essential for a peaceful and functional living environment. However, achieving and sustaining a well-organized space can be a daunting task for many. The good news is that with the right mindset, strategies, and a bit of effort, anyone can master the art of home organization. In this comprehensive article, we will provide you with practical tips, techniques, and step-by-step guidance to help you declutter, streamline, and create an organized oasis within your home. Get ready to transform your living space into a sanctuary of order, tranquility, and efficiency. 1. Set clear goals and prioritize. Begin your home organization journey by setting clear goals and priorities. Assess your living space and identify the areas that need the most attention and improvement. Consider the purpose and function of each room or area to determine how you want them to serve you. By setting specific goals and priorities, you can focus your efforts and make a significant impact on the areas that matter most to you. 2. Declutter and purge unnecessary items. One of the fundamental steps in home organization is decluttering. Take the time to go through your belongings and let go of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Use the popular KonMari method developed by Marie Kondo, which involves asking yourself if each item sparks joy. Donate, sell, or discard items that are no longer useful or meaningful to you. This process not only frees up physical space but also promotes mental clarity and reduces stress. 3. Categorize and sort. To effectively organize your belongings, categorize and sort them into groups. Start by sorting items by type, such as clothing, books, kitchenware, or electronics. As you categorize, evaluate the quantity and quality of each item, keeping only what you truly need and love. Consider donating or recycling duplicate or unused items. This process allows you to streamline your belongings and create a more organized and efficient space. 4. Invest in storage solutions. Once you have decluttered and sorted your belongings, invest in suitable storage solutions to keep everything organized. Assess your space and identify areas where additional storage is needed. Utilize storage containers, baskets, drawer dividers, and shelving systems to maximize your space and create designated storage areas for different categories of items. Labeling containers and shelves also helps maintain order and allows for easy retrieval of items. 5. Create daily habits. Establish daily habits to maintain an organized home. Allocate a few minutes each day for tidying up and returning items to their designated places. Encourage family members or roommates to adopt these habits as well, making it a collective effort to keep the home organized. Simple tasks like making the bed in the morning, doing a quick tidy up before bedtime, and putting items back after use can make a significant difference in maintaining an organized space. 6. Optimize small spaces. Make the most of small spaces by utilizing clever storage solutions and maximizing every inch of available area. Use vertical storage options such as wall-mounted shelves, hanging organizers, or pegboards to maximize vertical space. Maximize closet space with space-saving hangers, shoe racks, and organizers. Utilize under-bed storage containers or ottomans with hidden compartments to store items out of sight. Embrace multifunctional furniture that offers hidden storage compartments, such as coffee tables with built-in drawers or ottomans that double as storage units. 7. Streamline paperwork. Paper clutter can quickly accumulate and create a sense of disorganization. Create a system for managing paperwork to maintain a clutter-free environment. Sort documents into categories such as bills, receipts, important documents, and personal correspondence. Use labeled folders, file organizers, or digital solutions like scanning and organizing documents on your computer. Consider digitizing important documents to reduce physical paper storage and the risk of losing important information. 8. Regular maintenance and refresh. Home organization is an ongoing process, and regular maintenance is crucial for long-term success. Set aside time periodically to reassess your belongings, declutter, and reorganize as needed. This will prevent clutter from piling up again and ensure a consistently organized home. Schedule regular deep cleaning sessions to keep your space fresh and free from dust and dirt. Use this opportunity to evaluate your storage solutions and make any necessary adjustments. 9. Seek inspiration and resources. Find inspiration from home organization experts, blogs, books, and online resources. Explore different organization methods and systems to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Some popular approaches include the KonMari method, the 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, and the zone cleaning method. Incorporate ideas and adapt them to fit your unique needs and preferences. Engage with online communities or forums dedicated to home organization to exchange tips, seek advice, and find support along your journey. 10. Enjoy the benefits. Finally, revel in the numerous benefits of a well-organized home. Experience reduced stress and anxiety, increased productivity, and a sense of calm and harmony. Enjoy the ease of finding items quickly, optimizing your living space, and creating an environment that supports your well-being. Embrace the peace of mind that comes with knowing that everything in your home has a designated place and purpose. Mastering home organization requires commitment, persistence, and a willingness to let go of unnecessary items. By setting clear goals, decluttering, categorizing, investing in storage solutions, and establishing daily maintenance habits, you can create a harmonious and clutter-free living space that enhances your quality of life. Embrace the journey of home organization, seek inspiration from various sources, and customize methods to suit your needs. Remember, an organized home brings not only physical order but also peace of mind and a renewed sense of tranquility. Start today and embark on a path to a clutter-free and harmonious living space that truly feels like home.